So, good morning, everyone. I'm
Good
Dr.
morning, ma'am.
Padmaja from CSE. I'm Dr. Padmaja from CSE department. Today, we have gathered here on a common platform to share the students' ideas and to scrutinize the ideas. The first idea is from EEE department by Revant and his team. The judge going to be Dr. Rashekar Verma garu. He's a very good employee of our PKREC College. We love to invite him as a judge for Revant and his team. So, Revant, it is over to you. Please share your idea.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity. Hope you utilize well. Uh, morning to panel, to the respected ma'am and our beloved sir, Rajshekar Verma sir. Ma'am, can you please share our PPT screen, ma'am?
Yeah, just
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
sure.
just sharing it.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Right now?
Can I see all the team members, please?
Yeah, sure.
I have shared the PPT. Can everyone see?
Yeah, yeah. Let me see.
Yeah, it's not visible.
No, you have
Yeah,
to
you have
pin.
to pin on the PPT.
Yeah, sure. It's fine.
Revant, can I see all your team members?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Give me a minute. Prithvi, Soumya, Rakesh, can you please on your video?
I request Soumya.
Ma'am,
Yeah, I think disturbance is there at your end.
ma'am, just a minute.
Sunil, please turn on your video. Hello.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Uh, hello. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, it is visible. Yeah, yeah, it is visible.
Yeah, ma'am. Myself, Revan Nagapraju. I am a team lead of this project. So-called E12 Living Camp. Followed by my team was Mrs. Soumya, Prithvi, and Rakesh, ma'am. While starting my presentation, I want to start my presentation with a question. Dear panel members and my dear friends, how many times you people skip their food to run because of running out of time while reaching your destination, so-called college or some other place? Can you please answer my question, ma'am? Dear panel members, my respected panel members.
I skip so many times, Revant. I skip so many times.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fine, ma'am.
I
And
also, Revan.
yeah, Rakesh, very good. And any other members?
Me
I
Yeah,
skip
me
also.
so
too.
many times.
Yeah, okay. Then fine. And this project is ours, ma'am. So-called E12 moving caps. My main motto of this project was as same as an Ola and Uber cab. Why can't we design a food truck? It means which is capable of having a food on it. The people can the truck was customized as a based upon. It means the customer can travel from A destination to B destination while having a food in this truck, ma'am. And this was our main motto of this project, ma'am. As a part of it, I started this project 1 year ago. Fortunately, I was grouped with the members of Triple and IIT faculty too. In IS Labs, Idea Labs, Kubera House, this project was going held and participating there, ma'am. Fortunately, we are on the fourth round in IS Lab, and we are running out of 25 people, 25 best ideas in Kubera House, ma'am. And so-called coming to the point of eat well moving caps, uh, bro, can you please show the next slide? Siddhartha.
సిద్ధార్థ ఒక స్లైడ్ ని మాక్సిమైజ్ చేసి సిద్ధార్థ
Just
if
a
possible.
second, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
So once college will start, I want to see if a physical appearance and everything, whatever the protocol you have did, I love to meet you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I will.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we done the case study of around.
Yes, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, sure. Ma'am, this was the overview of till now I discussed about the what was things we done before, and coming to the point, this was our project overview. Ma'am. The few members are driving while moving while they're driving, and few other people are waiting for the taking off their caps to move from X destination to Y destination. And the third picture you see on the screen was the food truck, which means to take a food while having some rest now. So my point of view was very clear, man, to comment is all the things. So-called equal moving caps. The main motto and the part of business was just now I raised the question called how many people skip their food. If I am not wrong, 70% of this meeting, the meeting people are raised their hands. Then many times they skip their food. So I recognize this point of questions many times, ma'am, so that I have an idea called why can't you design a truck which is capable of having a food on it that people can move from X destination to Y destination. And coming to the point, can you please move on the other side, bro? Local concept of this business. Yeah. This was my concept of business, ma'am. In this busy modern world, we people have time to earn lakhs of rupees, but fortunately or unfortunately, we have now time to take your food, ma'am. So my point was very clear on this business, ma'am. So let us make a business on it. In thought of it, I got an idea as same as Ola and Uber Cab. Why can't you design a food truck, which is capable of having a food on it, ma'am, while traveling from X destination to Y destination? So on the point, I started these things 1 year ago with the help of some triple sir. I take over in the pre-lockdown section. If I am not wrong, from the month of December to March, in a span of 4 months, I took over 500 plus IT employees reviews, ma'am, as a part of case study. I used it to roam to their offices, ask them few questions from how much destination you are traveling to the office. Are you carrying your food or not? Are you facing any trouble? These are few concept of questions I keep on asking them for the the span of 4 months, ma'am. And based upon that, I prepared my case study. Unfortunately, we are hit by our pandemic situation called COVID-19, and my case study was shifted to the virtual lines, ma'am. Bro, can you please go on for the next slide? Yeah. And based upon my case study, ma'am, these were our target of customers, ma'am. For example, I consider that the two metropolitan cities, so-called Hyderabad and the Bengaluru, and the number of people, IT employees are mostly placed upon this Bengaluru and Hyderabad, and so on, ma'am. According to my research and case study, based upon the Google and the in Times of India's origins, we assumed and we according to their perspective, 30% people are using Ola and Uber cabs. So that in that 30% of the people, we are assuming we are considering that 10% people are maybe a health concern or maybe they have a food in their respective food. And this remaining 20%, the people may have their food facility in their respective fields. And this remaining 15% are our piece of cake. The people who are affected, the people who can affect my price, and few other concepts were going here, ma'am. And this was taken over by Ms. Soumya of my team, ma'am. Bro, next slide, please. Yeah. Financial analysis, man. The most important in the more vital role plays in our project was financial analysis, man. According to the financial analysis, based upon our case study and the technical team support which I have, we designed a financial chart, man, which we included the initial cost of truck cost around 15 lakh rupees, modification, other expenses of 1 lakh each. while going to the monthly investment and the profit we gain, we are estimated that the truck EMI cost also included in that month. So that the initial cost which the investor should be bonded will be less. So in the initial cost we expected a 15 lakh rupees of the truck. We know that if the project goes to the practical cases, no one will buy the new truck on it. So we are expecting of around 8 to 10 lakhs, and in that, as the generalized values, we are assuming to be according to the Axis Bank, SBI, and some other bank. They are sorry, the screen was going off. Can you please share the screen?
Just a second. I'm just
Yeah, sure.
just checking. There's some technical error.
I will go ahead. No problem. I have screen on my side. I can go ahead. Yeah, this was the financial chart we prepared based upon our case study of around 2K plus IT employees, 300 plus professionals, and 2K plus students, ma'am. Based upon their case study, I prepared the financial chart, ma'am. According to it, the truck EMI cost was 26,000 rupees. The employees we are appointed was a driver and a cook. We required each of 15K rupees. And the fuel cost, the one was the vital role in our investment, ma'am. We're expected to be roam around 30 kilometers per trip, around 5 trips a day. According to it, we are assuming of around 34,800 per month as a fuel cost, ma'am. While we are running a truck in the basis of we are not having a overseas source on Indian basis. So that as for the maintenance and the other expenses, we are assuming of 5,000 rupees per month for a maintenance. And we are having a 15 plate, so that we are expecting a price of 25 rupees per plate, ma'am. By considering all these statistics and the characteristics, we are expecting an investment per month of 1,07,000 rupees, ma'am.
Per day, how many, what do you say, customers are you expecting?
Yeah, ma'am.
Minimum.
This was thing. Yeah, I will tell it, ma'am. Average of 5 trips a day, ma'am, at 30 minutes per trip, right? Our space of truck was around 8 members to 10 members of occupancy was there, and we are assuming of 5 members a trip, ma'am. If a 5 members a trip can travel from one station to Y destination, for example, from the metropolis, for example, Hyderabad, from LB Nagar to Kottapeta to Kondapur, or some high tech ups, a few other places, ma'am. So 5 members we are expecting. According to the Ola and Uber cabs, work based upon their peak values, peak timings, and there are some categorizations of their price demands, ma'am. We generalized that value into 250 rupees, ma'am. You are assuming a 5 members a trip at 250 into 5 at 1,250 rupees per trip we are expecting, ma'am. According to it, 5 trips a day. 5 into 1,250 rupees is equal to 6,250 rupees. Is it audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, sure. The average meal cost per person was 60 rupees, ma'am. 60 into 5 rupees is equal to 300 rupees, and 300 into 5 was 1,500 rupees per day. By considering this all above profit gain things, the total profit we gained was 1,86,000 rupees for the 4 years. After 4 years, the investment we put on the truck around of 26,000 rupees was shifted back to the profit, and we are expecting of but 2,10,000 rupees as of profit, ma'am. So we are assuming of we are investing 50% and we are expecting a revenue of 100%, ma'am. Which means that the investment we are putting was 1,07,000. Up to 4 months, we are expecting revenue was 1,86,000. After 4 years, we are hoping so. The occupancy was full off and the truck EMI was excluded. So that we are expecting a profit of 2,20,000 rupees, which means we are investing 1 lakh rupees and we are getting a profit of another 1 lakh rupees. And this was the financial analysis, which was the deal by Mr. Soumya. Next slide, please. Yeah, level of growth. The most important and the vital role plays was the level of growth. In how much to reach out the investor, we should be very confident that in how many years the investor will get his profit back. Based upon my case study and analysis, ma'am, I took over the few running things which are going right now. They are Ola cabs and Uber cabs, ma'am. For example, let us consider the Ola cabs. It was founded in the 3rd December 2010. And at the year of 2019, it means after the 10 years, the company network was expanded more than 1.5 million drivers across 250 cities. And this was the level of growth of the Ola. And I'm pretty confident that my project was very neat to the present society. So-called modern problems has a modern solutions. And these things were taken away by my team next time. Next slide, please. Yeah, and this was my overview of our case study, ma'am. I took over for a case study and categorized the people according to the standards, professionals, employees, students, and others. This was my chart, ma'am, which people I met personally from the month of December to March. From the month of March to till now, virtually I personally meet the people virtually, so-called 1,000+ employees, because my people and my family members who are working upon the IT employees. One member was from HR department in the Deloitte, some from Wipro, ITC, some other etc. Ma'am, I just borrow and request them to give it what was the thing goes on. Is it a practical workout or not? I took over the case study from them, ma'am, and this was the overview of my case study. Yeah, next slide, please. So-called advertisement, ma'am. If the times goes well, we need to go well because of our advertisement, ma'am. And this was the strategy to grab our customers. Please, next slide. Yeah, if the times not goes well, we need to plan for the plan B also. Based upon my case study, I included a few negative points also. I based upon that negative points, I designed the plan B, ma'am, which means we can include the intermediate restaurants in it, ma'am. For example, the customer is moving from LB Nagar to some other place, so-called Kondapura, some etc., which means 25 to 30 kilometers approximately. While he is not willing to take a food in our truck, so it's fine, no problem. We included the intermediate restaurants in it, ma'am, so that the customer can buy a food while moving from X station to Y district. He can have a food on it, so that we can charge according to the price while dropping from his destination, and the price for his by providing a place to having a food on it. Next slide, please. Yeah, these are the related photos and documents, ma'am. As the first picture, you can see that the design and the overview of the buses, ma'am, which we are going to adapt and design according to our requirements. So-called the second picture, you can see that this was the induction stove which we are going to plan use in our project, ma'am. And the third picture was the bus, which is mentioned the cost of around 15 lakh rupees here. While going there, and some other two pics was from Ola and Uber cabs. Their expected prices from the peak values. We know that our project was mainly designed to the IT employees and students who are reaching their destination without running out of time. The peak timings of these are from morning 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock and the evening times of 4:30 to 7 o'clock. In that time, the Ola and Uber cabs are charging around the high double prices, ma'am. They are mentioned here. And this was a Google search per liter of petrol. And next slide, please. Yeah, these are the following PPTs, ma'am. The design of food truck, food menu, financial analysis, so on. And from here on, this is the overview of my project, ma'am. From here on, my teammates will take over the deep discussion on it, ma'am. Well, Prithvi, take on from here based on the concept of the business. Prithvi, are you in?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good morning, man. Good morning, sir. Good morning to my teammates, one and all. I am discussing about the concepts of business.
Bro, can you
please.
Bro, can you please move on the slide to the concept of business?
Which slide are you talking about?
From
Third slide.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Concepts of business in this busy modern world, the people having time to earn lack of money of rupees, but not for eating food, and we are wasting so many food by traveling. By the way, we have an idea. We people developed from earning from foods to skipping food from earning. So we have a business on it. In thought of it, we got an idea as soon as like as Ola and Uber cabs. We are to design a food truck on while moving, and we have to eat while from one destination to another destination. In metropolitan cities, we are using Ola and Uber to travel. So many approaches of business was very clear to make a step forward before. Otherwise, by bringing a concept of eating while moving cabs. In these concepts, we are using to move the while we are moving food, while we are moving one destination to another destination. We are using to not waste food and using food to people. We are this is our concept. Why another slide which was explained by the Rakesh.
Rakesh, can you please take over next slide? Hello, Rakesh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
myself Rakesh. To meet the business, main concept was target of customers. As a part of our case study and analysis, we concluded a chart according to the we taken two metropolitan cities from the year of 2018 and 19. Let us consider the two metropolitan cities are Hyderabad and Bangalore. In Hyderabad, number of IT employees are around 65,000 plus, and number of students are of 9 lakhs. And finally, government employees and other travelers are around 8,000 plus. Now coming to the Bangalore, the number of IT employees are 1.5 million, and number of students are around 8 lakh people, and government employees and other travelers are 10,000 plus. As per the analysis based on Times of India and Google, Revant has calculated that the mathematical and statistical data has shown in each metropolitan city, there are lakhs of employees and thousands of students. In that, there is a probability of at least 30% of people use Ola and Uber cabs daily. Let us consider that 10% of people may be orthodox and health concerned people, they will carry their own food. In remaining 20%, let us assume that 5% may have their own food facility in their respective fields. Now, coming to these remaining 15% of people are our piece of cake. The advantages of 15% people, the people who can afford the price, the people who are running out of time, the people who are traveling from a long distance, all this will come under this category. In metropolitan cities, obviously there will be 5 to 8% of people who use cabs. They may be travelers, guests, or
Raymond
some
and team,
private workers.
we have fixed a time limit. Yeah, that idea was very good. So for architecture study and everything, you have taken help of IIT faculty.
Not
And,
me, so, ma'am. Just guided by the few people, ma'am.
So when physically college will start from offline from February 1st, we are looking into your business. Have you started an entrepreneurship out of this? So have you designed something out of this practically?
Practical cases, ma'am. I just met with a few HRs of the IT employees, ma'am, and I requested them to have I will provide a meal for the 1 month, etc. It was going on the process, ma'am. The process was going ahead right now.
So, so we would like to add few more value-added things once you come to college. The idea was good. Rajshekhar sir, over to you.
యా ఇప్పుడు దీనికి ఏమైనా మీరు ఏమైనా యాప్ తయారు చేస్తున్నారా?
We are planning for it, sir. నేను ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే.
So I am planning for the website, sir. So called Revetic Innovations. Which means ideator form. I have a few other startup ideas also. So that I want to include this all the startup ideas at one platform, so-called Reventic Innovations.
అంటే మీరు ఓలా అండ్ ఉబెర్ తో మీరు క్లబ్ చేస్తారా, మీది సపరేట్ యాప్ ఉంటుందా?
Yeah, లేదు
Separate, sir.
సపరేట్ యాప్.
మన ఏంటంటే సార్, ఓలా అండ్ ఉబర్ క్యాబ్స్ లెక్క ఒక ఫుడ్ ట్రక్ డిజైన్ చేసుకుంటాం మనము.
ఓకే.
దాంట్లో ఒక పర్సన్ అనేవాడు కూర్చొని తినగలుగుతాడు, వాడి ప్లేస్ పడి రీచ్ కాగలుగుతాడు సార్. The main line of this project was
Destination reaching, including food, sir.
yes,
యా
while having food
And
on the
one
truck.
more value added thing I want to add. In
Please,
the
sir.
meanwhile, one of your friend told that we are wasting so much of food. So while you're traveling, your app should also get the food which is wasted on the journey where you travel from source to destination.
Yeah, it was just thanks of ma'am.
Maybe అది టైం డిలే అవ్వచ్చేమో, బికాస్ కస్టమర్స్ ని డెస్టినేషన్ కూడా రీచ్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి.
ఎస్.
సో వాల్యూ యాడెడ్ థింగ్ అవుతుంది. అండ్
దుమ్మని చెప్పమ్మా, దుమ్ము చూడు, మస్తు దుమ్ము.
one more advice, if it is fitting to your model, I don't know, but one more, like you need to have more literature survey, like more customer views on it.
Ma'am, your voice is so disturbing, might be not clear. Can you please?
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Rajsekhar sir, I think he's talking. Sir, మీ సైడ్ ఒకసారి మ్యూట్ పెడతారా సార్? Yeah. Am I audible? Am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Two things I have in your project. If it is fitting to your model, please try to implement.
Yes, sir.
So one, wastage of food, like morning breakfast kani chala food centers lo we see wastage of food. So why can't you collect and give to the laymen, like beggars and disabled fellows, orphanages on the journey?
Okay.
On the journey, that is one thing I just noticed. Emma?
Yeah, good.
That's a great idea, ma'am.
ఏంటమ్మా?
That's a good idea, ma'am.
Good idea, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. ఎలాగో మీరు జర్నీ చేస్తున్నారు కదా సోర్స్ నుంచి డెస్టినేషన్ దాకా. So in the
Unfortunately,
meanwhile, you can collect that food also. And 4 hours కానీ 5 hours కానీ ఫుడ్ పాడవదు.
Yeah, we can contaminate it. No problem. It's a good idea, ma'am, but we are expecting a corporate level things, right? For example, IT employees are included in this project, ma'am. If the main theme was to save the time, ma'am. If we include this,
that is what I'm telling. If it is fit into your model, that is the first thing I have added before I'm telling my idea.
Yeah, I got the point.
Because okay, value added thing outudi, because
yeah, sure. We'll go for the plan B.
And one more thing I just want to tell you. Yeah, how this project is relevant to technology. Like this is an ideathon it is an ideathon going on in our college regarding technical issues.
Okay.
Technical things. So are you going to develop a website? Are you going to develop an app which help your entrepreneurship or which help your idea?
Okay, we'll plan for it, ma'am. And the theme was the business idea, right, ma'am? So that I included this project as a...
Yeah. And Reva, I love to see other ideas also. Tomorrow, you please go with 1 or 2 ideas what you're having.
Yes, sure.
Till 31st, we have time. So
Okay.
stay in the group what we have created.
Yeah.
Please share your PPTs with Siddhartha.
Yeah,
And
sure.
we also got a good team of CSE and IT. Mana college lo CSE IT student meeku teliyadu kada.
No, ma'am.
So I am from CSE. I'll give you, you please work together. All మీరందరూ కలిసి వర్క్ చేస్తే we'll generate a good product from our college itself.
Yeah, ma'am. I have an idea. It's so-called make your own links to fly mode. I think yesterday Srinivas sir will post in our groups, ma'am.
I didn't get. నాకు ఇంకా రాలేదు, but we will slowly look into those things. So many other groups are also waiting.
Yeah, sure.
So మీరు ఒకసారి కాలేజ్ ఫిజికల్ గా స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ప్లీజ్ కమ్ టు us, వర్మ సార్ or me or any of the staff you are comfortable with. So we
Yeah,
will
sure.
reach you out and we will look into the further things. How can we help you people?
Yeah, sure, sure. Is it possible for give us 3 minutes of time, ma'am, so that Soumya will explain the financial analysis? She is waiting from the long time.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
it possible?
please.
Yeah, please. Soumya,
Yeah,
go ahead with the
please
financial
finish it
analysis.
in 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, we'll conclude in 3 minutes. Ma'am. Hello,
Yeah.
Soumya.
Can we have next slide, please?
Yeah, bro, financial analysis. Yeah, thank you. Soumya, go ahead.
Welcome. Yeah. Well, coming to the financial analysis, as we are through our case studies and expert options, we have concluded an financial chart mentioned in this slide. As we are mentioning, initial cost of the truck is 15 lakhs and modifications is of 1 lakh and other expenses and permissions of are 1 lakh. So coming to our expenses and profit, as we are investing the truck EMI per month is 26,000 and the employee cost we have categorized as 15,000 for driver and 15,000 for cook per month. So the major expensive thing in our project was fuel cost. We are traveling 5 trips in a day and 5 trips in a day, and each trip consists of 30 kilometers. So the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 70 and nearly it consists of 19 liters per a day. So per day per day it occupies 1,450 and uh, overall the number of working days is of 24 days and it consists of 34,800 per month. And coming to the maintenance and other expenses, it consists of 5,000 per a month. And coming to the food profit, we are gaining, it consists of 25 rupees per plate and 12,000 per a month. So the overall investment through the above calculations, we are investing 1,07,000 per month. We can gain profit through for a trip we are having 5 members in a trip. So each person consists of 250 rupees. So 250 into 5 is equals to 1,250 per trip. We are having 5 trips in a day. So 5 into 1,250 is equals to 6,250 per a day. Coming to the food, we are having 60 rupees per a plate. We are having 5 members, so 60 into 5 equals to 30 per plate. We can gain on food 300 rupees per trip. So 300 into 5 is equals to 1,500 per day. The total we are gaining per day is equals to 7,750. So the overall profit in our investment, we can gain profit is 1,86,000. So after 4 years, we can gain more profit. We will exclude the EMI cost which we have paying for a truck. We will exclude that and we can get more profit on it. Okay.
Yeah, well, Soumya. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, good,
Hello.
Soumya. So
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I'm
ma'am.
very happy that a girl is also there in the team.
Yeah, ma'am. We included him
Thank you,
also.
ma'am.
As ma'am, in the PPT, we raised a problem, we find a solution, level of growth, what are strategies to develop our idea, and the case. These all things were based upon a case study, ma'am. We are not assumed in our assumed a project and we just written on the alone in the room, ma'am. We designed a project based upon the case study we took over, ma'am. And this was our presentation.
That's wonderful, Revant. That's
Yeah,
very good.
thank you.
Please keep a copy with Verma sir also. Please mail to
Yeah.
him. We'll
Yeah,
provide you
sure.
all the details. Please
Yeah,
be in
sure.
touch with Verma sir and Degree department.
Yeah,
And
sure,
once
sure.
you college starts physically, we all love to see your all team members also.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
please present your next idea, other idea. You said that you have other ideas also.
Yeah, ma'am, I have it.
So please
Tomorrow I can
post.
present.
Please post your ideas. 1 second. Please post
Yeah,
your
sure.
ideas. Because 31st దాకా టైం ఉంది కాబట్టి రేపు ఎల్లుండి కూడా పోస్ట్ చేయండి.
Yeah, ma'am.
So yeah, you can stay in the group and watch other ideas if you have time, or you can
Yeah.
leave.
Yeah.
If you have
Thank
time,
you.
you please watch other ideas also. Others ideas
We'll
also.
watch. Okay.
Siddhartha, 1 second please, రికార్డ్ ఒకసారి ఆఫ్ చేద్దాము.
ఇది దుమ్ము పట్టిపోయినాయమ్మా మొత్తము.
రికార్డ్ ఆఫ్ చేద్దాం.
Yes, ma'am. I have stopped.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Amma.
Hi.
Good morning, ma'am.
You can begin.
Yeah, good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'd like to introduce our judge Padmaja ma'am. She's doctorate from EC department. She'll be judge for all your EC teams. So over to you. Over to you, the batch which is going to present. Please go ahead. And I request everyone to
Thank you.
mute.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Amma, please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. We are Team Ecstasy. I am Ujwala, third year ECE. Now, I would like to present our idea regarding e-commerce gifting website. Can I get the second slide, please? Yeah, getting into the discussion. As we know that e-commerce gifting sites or whatever it may be, these are playing the crucial role in the market of business. So as of now, according to India's retail market, like gifting e-commerce websites will cross 1 trillion in value by 2021, which is revealed by the famous MNC Deloitte India and Retailers Association of India. While overall retail market is expected to grow from $795 billion to $1.2 trillion by 2021. So the market size has been increasing gradually, and whatever it might be due to pandemic situation or whatever, all the people are interested in e-commerce marketing, etc. So taking advantage of this situation and the scenario today, we introduced a e-commerce gifting website, which can be reached easily to the people, and hence we can make the profit accordingly by giving the quality product to the people. So my teammate will give the overview of the project accordingly. Over to you, Vinay.
Hello, ma'am. Myself, Vinay ECD.
Good morning,
Can
Vinay.
you show the next slide? Can you show the next slide? Ma'am, this is our product. This is a photo art. It's a digital painting picture, ma'am, which is done in Photoshop. This is done with the Wacom pad with a stylus pen, and it is used by the highly used technology to create this, ma'am. This lasts for a long time, and this is highly durable, ma'am. And the printing of this is done with a premium vinyl mat and with a black finishing molded frame, ma'am. Can you show the next slide? This is our product, ma'am. The normal photo art can convert into a digital painting, ma'am. Embarking a new journey with the cherishable memories of our loved ones. Get your chance to shine and sparkle on your everyone. Can you show the next slide? This is the happiness of the customer when we gifted this product, ma'am.
This I
Next
saw in
slide.
some Facebook.
The
The
same
same thing I
some
have found in the Facebook also. If you give a photograph in a Facebook, it will be converted into paint also.
yeah. There are
So what
some
is your
pages in
new idea in
this
this?
web. These are some products, but they are not started business at online, ma'am, at e-commerce. They are doing advertisement in Facebook and Instagram, but they are not started the websites in e-commerce, ma'am.
Okay, please carry on.
The next, okay, Shivani will carry the next. Shivani, over to you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Shivani from third year ECE, ma'am. I'm going to explain the features of digital painting. Next slide. So this digital painting or photo to art painting is presented using digital technology, which is created by repeating similar elements in a work of art, such as color, line, textures, and shapes. So these photo to art paintings come in 7 different sizes, which are available from A6 to A0, and frame will be provided for every different size except for A0. And whenever customers are delighted with the final positioning of our work, we send them a soft copy through email on all our orders. So basically, a photo to art is a perfect gift for various occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, and it makes a wonderful home decor items and a lot more. We'll be very happy to serve you. Feel free to connect with us. So till now, this is our first product, ma'am. Second product will led by next teammate, ma'am. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Bhimeshwar from EC third year. One mosaic photo frame, ma'am, means we'll collect a bunch of photos and make them college. Means we take 30 to 100 photos of the customer having and one main photo which will be in background, and yeah, too many memories will be collected in one photo. This is the main theme of this frame, and we made the features of the frame. Can you bring the next slide, please? Yeah. Yeah, this is one picture with many movements, ma'am. Yeah, as you can see, one photo, and there will be 30 to 100 colleges in it, and yeah, we use high quality bubble wraps, and yeah, the value of gift is delivered in a short period of time. Within 2 to 3 days, it will be delivered to the customer. And about how we work, it will explain by Vinay Kotla. Vinay,
Okay, next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Yeah. We take the order, ma'am, and the order is processed, and the next step, we preview the order to the customer, and we take the approval of the customer. And once the customer has taken the approval, once they like the product, then we place the order and we will ship to the customer. This way we work, ma'am. And we like to market this with the social media marketing through Facebook, Instagram, based on the interest of the people and their behaviors, and we can able to target and retarget by doing digital marketing, SEO, some of the factors, ma'am. Okay, next slide. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Like moreover, ma'am, these days, like personalized gifts or whatever it may be, these are playing the crucial role in the market. So taking advantage of this issue, we can improve accordingly. So this idea might be like growing a lot in the future. Thank you, ma'am.
Any queries, please ask, ma'am.
Yeah, am I audible to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How this idea, it is implemented as a business now? Just taking a picture and correspondingly you are doing just like a business purpose only you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
What the idea in this work? Go to the first slide once. You are taking a
how your idea is justifying your title. Just give me the concept of this one. India's e-commerce market.
Like, ma'am, future further, if we move on, like we will try to develop a website regarding, like not only promoting in social media or Instagram, whatever it might be. We'll try to develop a website which reach the people easily, which is valid for this point, ma'am, e-commerce site.
Okay, Nana.
Not only this, ma'am, we are planning to make a gift box. The total package will be there. I mean, with a gift a letter and with uh, I mean gift box with a letter, cake, and a lot of stuff will be there, ma'am. The customer will be happy with the product. That's what I'm saying.
And moreover, ma'am, our teammate Vinay has already been working regarding this in the real-time experience too, ma'am. And so we were trying to develop it accordingly, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nana. Okay, thank you for your answers. Thank you very much.
So Garuda, thank you, this team. And Garuda, we would like to invite the next team. So next batch Garuda, please. So we would like to call Garuda, our next batch.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Good morning, ma'am.
Your voice is very low. So
Good
and
morning, ma'am.
I request I request the participants to please show your faces also. We'll like to see when you are presenting.
Clear, ma'am. Hello.
Somewhat clear.
Hello.
Keep mic closer to you.
Ma'am, it's clear, ma'am.
Yeah, but your ఒకసారి వినపడుతుందమ్మా మిగతా వాళ్ళకి?
No, ma'am, it's it's very low. Volume is very low.
Yeah, Soumya, your voice is very low. Or you please.
Again, I will join, ma'am. 1 minute.
Ma'am, please allow Rohit, ma'am.
Yeah, Rohit, please go ahead. Siddhartha, hello.
I did, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Your voice is low. So please hand over your session to some other team member.
Okay, ma'am.
Rohit, please take over and please finish.
Okay, ma'am.
I request everyone in the group to unmute except Rohit.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, Rohit,
Yeah,
please
yeah, you're
go
right.
ahead.
Soumya, start Ji.
Hello.
Ah.
Madam, is it audible?
Yes, it is audible to be.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. This is Soumya, studying BTech third year in Thigala Krishna Reddy Engineering College. Today I am here with my team Garuda, and here is my team, ma'am. Rohit,
Good morning, one and all.
Shafi, and Upender, ma'am. We are here to present our own idea called a medical drone.
Good morning, Manal.
We are here to present our own idea,
Good
ma'am.
morning to everyone. Okay, can continue.
We are here to present our own idea called medical drone. This is a prototype with quadcopters, and it can carry the payload of 5 kgs, and it can acceptable range is 20 kilometers, ma'am. Medical drone. What is drone? How they are useful to mankind? Drone is nothing but it is an aircraft without a human pilot abroad, which includes a flight controller and a quadcopter and a communication system between the two members. And it is further classified into two types, namely wing type and rotatory drones. And these drones are used to monitor livestock, wildfire, surveillance of an area, agriculture, monitor infrastructures, and so on, and many. And even though these drones are a costly affair, they are very much useful and immensely effective and proven to be effective on a long run. As part disaster management, we have to save many lives which are affected as soon as possible. And these segment need an innovation, ma'am. These medical drones are the solution. Our team designed and developed on UAV. UAV is nothing but unmanned aerial vehicle to carry medicine from one place to another in a short time period. Okay, ma'am. Next, my friend Upenda will continue, ma'am. Upender.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You can continue.
Okay, ma'am. The main advantages of the medical drone is to deliver the emergency aid to inaccessible areas like untransportation areas. It is fully autonomous drone with advanced flight control technology, and a very LiDAR technology is involved in the medical drone. It is capable of carrying 5 kg payload, and the maximum and minimum speed of the drone, the minimum speed is 160 kilometers per hour. It is very high, and it moves with very strong speed and deliver the fast as transportation. And it safely returns to after the execution of the operation, safely return to the launch station with help of the autopilot. It is an accessible range of 20 kilometers, and it is operated without movement, and there is no need to any transportation or any other vehicles. And my friend Rohit will continue.
So I request everyone who is who are the participants to show your faces.
Soumya, next slide. So these are the hardware parts of our drone. So we used carbon
Rohit, can
fiber.
we see you?
Please
Ma'am,
just listen. Who are presenting, switch on your video. Others may not. But who are presenting, please switch on your video.
Okay, ma'am.
So these are the hardware parts of our drone. We use carbon fiber because carbon fiber is a lightweight and it's a highly durability. And we used AC motors, brushless motors. Why brushless motors means it requires small power and it's more efficiency. So these are the electronic speed controllers which are used in our drone. These speed controllers control the speed of the motors. And these are the power distribution board. It supply power to the whole drone. So next slide. So this is the flight controller. This is the heart to our drone. It controls all system. From this, it receives signal from the radio transmitter, and it receives signal and sends to the ECs, and EC controls the motors. And this is a radio frequency controller. So we use a lithium polymer battery, which is 1500 mAh in our drone. So these are the basic physics involved in our drone. Throttle means the drone lifts upwards, and the pitch means it moves left side. Roll means it rotates 360 degrees in a place. And yeah means front to back. So these are the basic principles which involved in the drone. So, any queries? Any queries, ma'am?
Can I ask a question, ma'am?
Pratyusha. Okay.
Hello.
Is there any prototype you have designed, and could you please show us?
It's in Hyderabad, ma'am.
Rohit,
ma'am.
can I ask a question? Which type of accelerator you have used, to control the motion of this drone?
Radio frequency controller, ma'am.
That is okay. Accelerometer.
See, in this flight board, it consists of gyrometer, accelerometer, barometer, everything. It's inbuilt, ma'am, in this flight controller.
In the flight control board, on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
On the board. So what are the threshold limits you have set for that barometer or accelerometer, gyrometer?
So, gyrometer means it మనకు చెప్తాను మ్యామ్ ఇట్ whether the drone tilting or not.
No, that is measured using accelerometer.
Yeah, no, gyroscope. With the gyroscope
Barometer?
we can barometer it show the altitude of the drone. So
on the flight board, can you please share your PPT once of the flight board?
The flight board, ma'am. So this is the flight controller board, ma'am.
That's what I want to see once, that flight controller board. You have implemented this, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are the parameters you set for this gyrometer, accelerometer?
1 kilometer radius, ma'am.
Height I'm asking.
Height 1 kilometer, ma'am.
1 kilometer.
Yes,
height.
Yes, ma'am.
For which purpose you said for medical transit, no?
Medical transportation, ma'am. Like not only medical, organ transportation, like that.
How much payload it can carry?
5 kg, ma'am.
My research area is also related to this designing of these altimeters and accelerometers for drones, agriculture drones, basically. So do you have used directly the board, flight control board you have used directly?
Yes,
in that flight control board, maybe one part is that accelerometer and gyrometer and barometer.
Actually, this flight control board it comes with inbuilt, ma'am, gyroscope, altimeter, barometer. They are inbuilt to the flight controller.
So you have taken different boards and you have integrated to make a drone, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you people once meet me regarding this, ma? I too have some queries on this.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
I think you people belong to EC, no? Which year, ma?
Third year, ma'am.
Third year,
Third year, which section?
D
D
section.
section.
My name is S. Pratyusha. I'll be in NB 305. Or else you can contact me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You just post, you share your screenshot whether you are aware you are having this, your mail IDs and phone numbers. Ma. I'll take that screenshot. I'll contact you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Once open your presentation slide, once starts page. I'll take the screenshot of that.
Names.
So up to where your prototype is designed, completed, tested?
No, ma'am. It's under construction.
Up which up to which part you have completed?
Almost we completed everything, but we have to test.
Test means still in construction, you're saying?
That means practically test చేయలేము ma'am దాని ఇంకా.
Where you are doing this?
అంటే మా దగ్గరలో ఉంది మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు అది. అంటే మేము రూమ్ లో ఉంటున్నాం, మా రూమ్ లో ఉంది అది.
How much is the total cost estimation?
25,000, ma'am.
You have been from where you do buy these parts?
So we are
Different.
from China. We are importing from China.
Okay. Once share your presentation slide, ma. Who is sharing this PPT?
Ma'am.
Soumya.
Madam, 1 minute, ma'am.
Actually, there is disturbance at my side, so I have unmuted.
రోహిత్ నాకు రావట్లేదు.
వచ్చింది. ఓకే.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm the coordinator. I'm controlling the PPT. Which slide you would like to see?
Presentation, first slide.
Please go ahead. Time is limited.
Please allow me to share the screen, ma'am.
Yeah, just a second.
Or else you people say your roll number. I will note down.
Okay, ma'am.
I have given
Rohit,
the
what
access.
is the roll number?
Ma'am, 4K0, ma'am. 18R9.
18R9?
A0. 18R91.
A04?
4K0.
K0. Okay, ma'am. I am Pratyusha.
Ma'am.
Yes, S. Pratyusha. Okay, ma'am. You can next one can go. Padmaja, madam, my queries are completed.
Thank you, ma'am. So that's good, Rohit.
Thank you, ma'am.
We would like to go to the next idea. Siddhartha, I think that this is the last idea we have from EC.
Yes, ma'am.
And I request Rohit to stay in that group we have created, right? 2021 Ideathon, I have created one group. So stay in that for 3 more days.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Siddhartha, next batch, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the next team is Team Alpha.
Team Alpha, we would like to hear from you, Team Alpha.
Yes, ma'am.
They can begin, man.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, Mohammad Shafi. I'm with my team Alpha. May I audible, madam?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, ma, you are
Yes, please go
audible.
ahead.
Agriculture is the so today we are here to going to give presentation on agriculture sprayer drone. So agriculture is the main backbone of our country. In that field, we are facing so many problems. So next slide, next slide.
Share your presentation, ma.
Ma'am, you can pin the Padmaja madam's account is there. You have to pin it so you can see the presentation.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
Any problem?
Ma'am,
No,
she
no,
can't
no.
see the PPT, so I said to
Yeah, yeah.
pin it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Slide the chain, ma'am. Change. So one of the major issues pesticide spraying. So spraying of pesticides in the agriculture field became a difficult task to the farmers and labors also not available in sufficient amount. So this situation raised next slide. Ma'am, change the slide. So the situation there because by inhaling pesticides causes so many diseases like eye burning, lung cancer, and skin diseases. So to avoid these problems, we came with an idea called agriculture sprayer drone, which will save farmers' health and wealth and time. Next slide, ma'am. Play the video, ma'am. So in conventional method, when a farmer is spraying pesticides, he is directly contact to the pesticides, which may causes deadly diseases. So to overcome this problem, we came with this idea. So change the slide. So, we design objectives. We designed a product which can fly over a farmland with a payload of 10 liters and it can spray over evenly and finally distributed the autonomous chemicals with the help of electrostatic nozzles affixed to the drone. So by the usage of lithium-ion technology batteries, we were able to about 900 charge cycles. So running the system at maximum efficiency help us to obtain maximum endurance and flight which gets faster and economical operations. Change the slide. My friend Sangeeta will continue.
Here are the advantages of a drone, which reduce the amount of dilution from 150 liters to 25 liters. No manpower is required, can spray 1 acre of farmland in 7 minutes, whereas with the help of manpower, it is not so easy to fill it. It almost take 15 to 18 minutes to spray evenly to the farm, and it is economical as every farmer can afford it, eco-friendly, and gives the information of complete crop analysis, encourages the Make in India program, and no harm to the environment, certified by Irrigation Department of Andhra Pradesh. Next slide, please. Test conducted. Propeller pitch and strength of propeller test is conducted. Strength of carbon fiber rod of 20 mm and 30 mm, and strength of carbon fiber sheet. The carbon fiber sheet is the strongest and lightweight material which is often used in aircraft and aviations for the huge advantages which it has, like strengthness, stiffness, and lightweight, and strength of aluminium joints. Motor load characteristics and ESC temperature test is conducted. Battery capacity and nozzle characteristics. Overall field performance test is conducted. Spray coverage test and GPS accuracy test is conducted. Next slide. Over to my friend.
So this is our prototype. So play the video. So introduction to our prototype. This is AG410. AG means agriculture spare drone. 410 means 4 means quadcopter. 10 means 10 liters of capacity payload. So we designed another product, 615 hexacopter with 15 liters of capacity. So by using electrostatic nozzles, we spray equivalently to the crop. So by using this technology, we are helpful to the farmer. So those are the electrostatical nozzles. By this, we are spray equivalently to the farm. So this is our prototype. So it is equipped with a double GPS. So it is eco-friendly. And next slide.
Overall field performance test. Overall performance of the drone in the field is exceptional. Good GPS accuracy of planned machine ensure total coverage of field, sprayed over the field and evenly due to the electrostatic nozzles and a fair amount of air produced by the propeller. Next slide, please. Spray coverage test. The spray coverage test is observed in the field in practical condition by observing the droplets on the leaves by visually or water sensitive paper. Next slide. Over to my friend.
So this is the total coverage of the leaf. See, the leaf is total coverage with the pesticide by using electrostatic nozzles. So can you zoom the PPT? Sorry, next, back slide. Can you zoom the PPT? So these are the water droplets on the leaf. So it is totally covered with the pesticide on a leaf. Next slide. So by using advanced, next slide. So by using advanced graphical condition, we are helpful to the farmer. So this is the mission planner, which is an advanced system. Those red marks are the warning symbols to the drone. So do not cross that line. Those yellow marks are spraying the pesticide path. So it can move in yellow paths and it can rotate at the white paths and move in yellow paths. So those red marks are warning symbols. Do not cross that border, that symbol. So next slide. So it can give you a complete information. Next slide. Next slide. So this is a crop with practical situations. So those are the green symbols are the field and yellow are the path, how drone moves in that path. So drone move in that yellow path and it spray the pesticide, and those red marks are the warning symbol to that crop. So next slide. So this is our media coverage at Bodan from ETV. My friend will continue.
So we have seen the advantage of drone in agriculture, but now we are facing pandemic situation in the country due to COVID-19. We also served the government by spraying sodium hypochlorite disinfected the positive cases area. So the risk of spreading corona can be controlled by drones. It also disinfect the air, which cannot be done by manual spraying. We served both the Telugu states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So next slide. So conclusion, by conducting above the test results, we were within acceptable range. Hence, spraying of pesticides work fine with the drone. So if we are implement this technology, we can helpful farmers. So battery life has been improved by running the drone in maximum efficiency condition by obtaining the results from motor load characteristics. It is easy and convenient operation to farmers. It is achieved by using advanced autopilot system and used to use graphical interface for a ground control system. So finally, Make in India Make in India program will helpful farmers to produce it for low cost.
Rafi, I think, right?
Shafi.
Yes,
Shafi, ma'am.
ma'am.
Shafi, sorry. Yeah, why can't you apply this for an MSME or Make in India? Like that, we have a
Yes,
wing
ma'am.
here in
My
our
friend
college. Through our college,
Santosh
you can
Bhai.
apply for the fund also.
Yes, ma'am.
So please approach your concerned department, doctorates or senior faculty. They'll help you out,
Okay.
or you can
Okay.
contact me.
Last year we applied for MSME, ma'am, this prototype.
So have you got fund?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, we will guide you. Once college will start physically from, offline from 1st February. So we like to see you there in our college. So please
Shafi,
sit with us and yeah, ma'am, please ask.
Shafi, my query is from where you are procuring the parts for making this drone, ma?
Ma'am, it is an open. It's not an open source, ma'am. It's an buy one, license one, ma'am. It's an app.
I'm not saying
Mission
software.
Planner.
I'm not saying about software.
Okay.
Hardware parts from where you are procuring this?
We are importing from China, ma'am.
China.
Then how can you claim that we are making in India?
So we
How
are
can
going
you
to
able
start if we start a startup. So we are ready to make an industrialization, like
How?
making.
We also
In
trying.
what? In which
Not,
area you
ma'am. We
want to
also
make in
trying
India?
to develop generator concept.
Generator?
Generator concept, ma'am. We are.
If you
Now we
want to
are.
go and apply for Make in India funds, any Make in India funds, if you we need to give bill of materials there to for the prototype, how much it is required, what is the cost, and from where you are procuring, all the things details we need to give.
Yes, ma'am.
As per my knowledge. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think government will see whether you are procuring, whether you are just integrating, or whether you are making in India, whether you are procuring the parts from other countries or just integrating in India to a startup, or whether you are only designing here the boards, or because those boards are not we can able to design all those. I think according to my knowledge, all the boards, flight control boards, all are PCB boards.
PCB boards, ma'am.
On the
Yes, ma'am.
PCB boards, we'll have different meters.
Yeah.
I think you people are buying directly the flight control board or directly the wings or anything. Directly you are buying from some ex merchant you are buying. Let us consider. Okay. If we are going to start up, or if you are applying for ME Make in India fund or MSME fund, they don't give us fund if we buy those things, ma. If we make those things in India only, they give us fund.
So
then only we can. And you are claiming that it is low cost. How you can claim it is low cost?
So before starting startup, we have a small idea, ma'am. To make
On which
our
area
own.
you want?
To make
What you
our
want to make?
own motors, own motor technology.
Motor. Inka? Not only motors, we'll have other things, no, in the drone.
Except flight controller, we are ready to make everything, ma'am.
Why not flight controller? Actually,
It's a
main
little bit.
electronics. We all belong to electronics, no?
So it's little bit hard.
Why you people think it is hard?
So
All
now.
the things which are integrated on the flight controller board, we can buy from different analog devices. We can buy different ICs or different altimeters we can buy. and we can buy barometers, gyroscopes, accelerometers. What are the things there on the electronic board, on the flight controller board? Because that is the main heart of a drone, any drone,
Yeah.
not only
Yes, ma'am.
agriculture, any drone.
Yeah.
Flight control is the main part.
Main
Yes or no?
part. Yes, ma'am.
And as
Yes,
we
ma'am.
people, as we are electronics, we need to reduce the cost designing the flight controller board.
So to design the flight control board, not only hardware, ma'am, we require software skills also, like programming skills.
Software, which softwares you require?
Programming, for programming.
Programming, we program in which software you have done programming now for your prototype?
No, we are for that. There is a software, ma'am, that is on open source. We are implementing that software.
Which one? That is which one? Name that software.
NASA MLite software.
It is given with that flight controller board as an, or it is compatible with that board. That NASA is open source. Though we
Yes, ma'am.
design also, no? Though we design the flight controller board indigenously in India.
Okay.
See, why I'm discussing all these things, because this is not the first time we people are doing agriculture drones. Already it is proved. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Already people are using. So if you want to make a startup, really, if you want to make a startup, instead of getting all the parts from different merchants and integrating in India, why can't we design our own flight controller board? That will be very low cost if we design.
If we can do it,
you can make
it
a
may cost.
startup of that. You can give to the people who are making these drones.
Yeah, but it's little bit hard, ma'am.
That who are working on hard things only, they will get good appreciation. No, the people after 10 years back, like you people, did you think of drones using in agriculture?
No, ma'am.
Now we are thinking. Why? Because why so many people have already done. It is proved. It is easy now. Flight controller board. If we observe, I think there are two batches working on this. Yes or no? Any
Rohit, please take all these as a just guidelines for you. Please write all those points so that you can come up with better design.
What I'm saying is, if we want to claim it as make in India and low cost, if we really want to make it low cost and make in India, we need to design our own flight controller board. As we people belong to electronics, we need to design that. You can make a startup in procuring, giving that boards. If we able to design board once, we'll get a patent on that. Because we use different devices, we use different technologies, we use different meters, and we design a PCB board. Then it will become a make in India product.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
The people, two batches, as I have listened, two batches, both are working on drones only.
Drones.
And not only people are working on drone, not only in our college, all over India, so many are working on drones, integrating drones for some particular application. Here you have taken some agriculture. Okay.
Yes,
some particular application, all so many are using and working, but they are buying the board directly. Why can't we make a startup to design to make that board in? Then we can get funds. Then we can get.
We will try to work on, ma'am.
You just meet me. You people meet me. I'm actually, my area of research is also that, making a board, PCB board, using altimeter, barometer, all that. We need to work on some analog circuits design. Then we can make that. Just integrating with different boards and making a drone is already completed. And they are
Actually, we tried with Arduino board, ma'am, but we failed. So
why? Because the Arduino board will not have that barometers or altimeters.
Externally we kept, ma'am. Externally we used it.
What happened?
Sensors.
What happened? Why we
collide with building, ma'am. Drone collide with building.
So we need to once again take the schematic, that flight controller board, and again we need to work on that. And I think no need to use what Arduino board also. We can use NS 8266. Not MCU. That is only Arduino board. It costs around 1500. Node MCU is costing around 400 only. Only 400. Like that, if we make cost estimation of all the things what we required on the flight controller board, how much cost did you pay to buy that flight controller board? No?
Depending upon size and stability, ma'am.
Real prototype, I'm asking.
For this agriculture, we spend nearly 50,000, ma'am.
50,000.
50,
Only
yes,
for
ma'am.
board or total drone?
No, ma'am. Only for flight controller.
To make a total drone, how much you have?
4 lakhs, ma'am.
See how much can a normal farmer can afford 4 lakhs to buy only to spray?
See, like we are providing service, ma'am. Every village we have tractors, and tractor person will provide service to that farmer. So, like that, if
Rohit,
a farmer can buy the drone,
Rohit, 1 minute. Why don't you increase scalability, like not with one farmer, like 20 acres or 30 acres, or to a complete village? Why can't you extend this?
Because of cost, madam. If each farmer can able, if a drone is costing around 25,000 or 50,000 below
మేడం
lakh,
అందరూ కలిసి యూస్ చేసుకుంటే అప్పుడు తక్కువ పడుతుంది కదా అని అంటున్నా. Like, see, when you design a project, the objective of the project and beneficiaries of that project is important.
These beneficiaries low cost will come only when we design, not just integrate.
Yeah, ma'am. I understood.
Did you all understood who are working on drones? What I'm trying to say?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Each drone, if it is costing, previously our phone used to cost 50,000 or 25,000. Now it is available for 5,000, 10,000, same smartphone. The increase of smartphone is increased, no, compared to 10 years back or 20 years back. Due to not developed how it is reaching villages also. So now drones are available, but they are high cost. Why? Because we are integrating, we are not designing in India. Make in India concept comes only when we design, not when we integrate. That's why if we go and apply for any Make in India fund also, they will see all these parameters, whether they are procuring or whether they are designing. If we procure and integrate, no doubt it will cost more.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
If you really make a startup, you need to design that board.
Yeah.
So you will need to work at least to design. We need to work on that to design a board. You said that it is colliding with the buildings. So again, you need to modify where we are going wrong. You need to sit and search. We need to meet experts, or we need to work on that. How it actual flight controller board is working. So how we need to make a difference. Then only we can claim for Make in India funds or MSME funds. It requires some time, no doubt. Integrating is easy, ma. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And we are having many YouTube videos on integrating a drone, taking different. That you have already done. Okay, one level is completed. Now go to the next electronics activity. Then your startup will bloom. Because you people give indigenous all the drone the integrators within it's also reduced. We can import our drone cost.
Please control organizers. Please control.
Are you understanding my idea? What I'm trying to say?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The people who are working on we'll see how we can design.
Yeah, we will try to work on, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's what I want to discuss.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
So over to you, Siddhartha.
Ma'am,